So today we're here at Crimson Resort. So if you want to know more about the resort, if you want to see the facilities, or if you just want to see how we spend our day here at Crimson Resort, then please continue watching because I'll be sharing all of that with you in this video. Crimson Resort and Spa is a 5-star luxury hotel located in Seascapes Resort Town, Mactan Island, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. From Mactan International Airport, the resort is only 20 minutes away, and from Mactan New Town, only 10 minutes. And since the resort is far from the main road, it's best to take a taxi or grab car if you don't already have your own vehicle. We arrived on a Sunday for our 2 days and 1 night staycation, and to my surprise, the resort wasn't as crowded as you would normally expect it to be during the weekends. For booking, I went directly to their website since it was much cheaper compared to booking from third-party websites such as Agoda. They also accept debit cards for the booking reservation, and payment will only be taken out upon arrival since they would need to physically swipe the card. Azure Beach Club is one of the 3 restaurants inside Crimson Resort that offers a breathtaking view of the beach. The restaurant is open from 10 in the morning until 10:30 in the evening, and their happy hour is at 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. Do note that their prices are inclusive of VAT, but still subject to local tax and service charge.
Ooh, so cheesy! Mine! Because the other beach one was just fast on for the video.
Yeah, that's right. It's very quick at all.
Yep. I mean, that coffee looks beautiful than you make.
Then what I make? So you mean to say the coffee I make
What's the red one?
Disgusting.
What's the red one?
What's that?
It could be the same. It could be the same one. Wait, mine. I wasn't even using. Hey, finally we split it off.
Split it off?
Yep.
Don't want to sit with me?
Because you think she's ugly.
You think I'm ugly?
You split us off.
I'm just kidding.
I just wanted a bite and it was too long.
Your wife name was anyone. I like that.
Anything else, ma'am? Po?
Alright na, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Enjoy your lunch, sir, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hey, ma'am, tissue.
Thank you.
Right now it's 12:30 p.m. and this is how the resort looks like even though it's a weekend. The staff at Azure suggested that we go to Crimson so the kids can play while we're waiting for our room. So yeah, we're on our way there.
Nagsunod ka smart wala.
Ako na lang ni take over kay naglibog naman ang bana.
Let's go.
Crim Zone is the resort's play den for kids aged 12 and below, located beside their children's pool and a small bar should you want to sip some cocktails while the kids are playing. The playground is open from 9 in the morning until 6 in the evening. It is free for 2 hours for in-house guests and charges will apply for succeeding hours. Thank you. Mahal kayo lang tubig guys. Tag 90 pesos ni siya. Mag-retouch ako kadali kay mga tunami sa front desk. Azure ko nilang CR guys. Oh, nice. It's very clean and there's a bidet. We're on our way to get our key card. So this is where you leave your things if you don't have a room yet. And the entrance is right over there. Okay. Thank you. You can actually take a golf cart to your room, but we decided to just walk because there were a lot of people waiting in line. And we already know where the room is anyway. So this is our view outside of the room. Really nice. And over here we have a coffee table and chairs. This is their key card. So you just insert this right here, like this. And there is also a doorbell right here if in case you get locked out. So let's go inside and check out the room. This is the garden view, deluxe room. And here's the bed. So fancy. The bed looks soft, but we'll test it later. And here's me with my outfit from Lazada. The TV is right here. And of course, the garlic naan we took out from Azure. There's a little COVID kit right here, but unlike Coda Beach, they will only give you one. So you have your own sanitizer, wipes, and a mask. And if you want to order room service, here is the menu. But it looks like they don't have a menu for the other two restaurants. Let's check. There should also be one for Saffron and Eyah. Okay, it looks like everything is in Chinese. So, move on na lang ta sa atong room tour. Here's the cabinet, door to the bathroom, and your coffee area. There's 2 bathrobes, a spare pillow, an iron, and an ironing board. Down here we have 2 slippers and a safe and a flashlight. Now let's check out the bathroom. Ta-da! So FYI guys, all rooms in Crimson has a bathtub. The only difference between this room and the regular deluxe room is that the deluxe room does not have a garden view by the window near the bathtub. Not to mention that the deluxe room is almost 1,000 pesos cheaper compared to this room. So you're basically just paying extra to get this view. Just simply for the aesthetics. Or if you want nice photos for Instagram. This is their conditioner, shampoo, bath gel, and lotion. And kani siya kay amot lang, basin para ilabay kung na musud kalit. Char lang. Here we have the complimentary water and coffee and tea. But I'm not sure how to use this coffee machine, so I'll probably not be using this. And you have the telephone and the remotes and of course the king bed. Nagkuba akong chinilas ka, baratuhon pa.